Good day guys, as promised, here is the training video of acing the GMetrix Excel practice test 3. So now we're here in project 1 of 7, task 1. Task 1, create a stacked area chart that shows the registration trend from January to December for football, baseball, and basketball. Position the chart to the right of the table and change the color to monochromatic palette 4 or color 8. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to simply highlight cells A2 to D14. So we only need the data football, baseball, and basketball. We're gonna go to insert, then look for that stacked area chart. So area chart, okay, stacked area. All right. Now the second instruction is position the chart to the right of the table and change the color to monochromatic 4. So here, moving it here. Change colors, monochromatic 4. Alright. Done. Mark completed. Next task. Add the chart title New Sports to the pie chart and the registration revenue worksheet. So, okay. Let's look for that registration New Sports, the pie chart. It's underneath, and I'm gonna rename the chart title to New Sports. Alright. Done. Mark completed. Task 3. Move the pie chart New Sports from the registration revenue worksheet and place it as an object in the charts worksheet. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna simply right click the pie chart. Okay, let's minimize this. Okay. I'm gonna move chart to the charts worksheet. Object in charts worksheet. Click OK. Now it's in the charts worksheet without us cutting and pasting the image or the chart. Mark completed. Task 4. Add the Altex New Sports to the pie chart containing soccer, tennis, and volleyball data. So this is the New Sports pie chart. I'm gonna right click this. I'm gonna edit Altex. And I'm gonna put here in the body or in the description New Sports. Okay, there's no OK button. Okay, click X, mark completed. Okay, we're on a roll. Project 2 of 7 of GMetrix Excel Practice Test 3, Task 1. Remove all duplicate records from the food inventory worksheet. So let's go to food inventory. Okay, so this is already in a table format, so I'm just gonna go to data. I'm just gonna click a cell inside the table, then go to data, and then just click the remove duplicates. Click OK. So it will remove all duplicates for me. Mark completed. Task 2. On the food inventory worksheet, enter a function in cell G1 that counts the number of food items. So we're just gonna simply use the count A function. Okay, so equal sign count A, open parenthesis, highlight the food item column. Okay, close parenthesis, enter. So we have 52, mark completed. Task 3, on the revenue worksheet, so let's go to revenue. As discussed in the previous training session, guys, please segment the instructions. Do not read the whole instruction as a whole. Understand it and then segment it so you'll be able to answer it efficiently and you won't make mistakes. Okay, going back on the revenue worksheet, enter a formula in cell J10 that uses a function to calculate the average revenue from the January column. Okay, so this is just simply the average formula. So here in J10, equal sign average, open parenthesis, highlight the January column. Close parenthesis, enter. Mark completed. Task 4, on the revenue worksheet, in cell range C5 to C7, so this is it, C5 to C7, insert the food truck PNG image from the geometric templates folder. Size the image to width 1 inch. Okay, so we're gonna go to insert, pictures, and then we're gonna look for that food truck PNG. in the GMetrix templates folder. GMetrix templates, food truck, click OK. Okay. And I'm gonna edit the width to 1 inch. Okay. If your format picture, if in your computer it is in the numbers are in centimeters, what you're gonna do is you're gonna simply include a quote, a double quote. So okay, so here in width I'm gonna do that as well, 1 inch. Click OK. So now it is, it fits perfectly inside cell C5 to C7. Okay, mark completed. Okay. Okay, we're now here in project 307 of GMetrix Excel Practice Test 3. Task 1, removal hidden properties and personal information from the workbook. So we're going to go to the backstage view and then inspect workbook, check for issues, inspect document, click inspect, and then I'm just going to click this, remove all document properties and personal information. And then close, mark completed. Next task. Task 2, on the Green Productions worksheet, apply the title styles to cell A1. So I'm gonna click cell A1 and I'm gonna format the cell. So here in cell styles, I'm just gonna look for the title style. Okay, mark completed. Task 3, modify the table so to remove the shading that appears on every other row. So this is already in table format. Here in table tools, click design, and I'm just gonna disable the banded rows. Mark completed. Task 4, change the sort order of the first table to alphabetize the countries from A to Z. So I'm just gonna simply click the country header, and then I'm gonna go to data, and here in sort, I'm just gonna pick this, sort A to Z. So now it's alphabetically ordered. The country column is alphabetized already from A to Z. Mark completed. Task 5, enter a formula in cell E4. Okay, go to E4. That calculates the total production of barley and updates the results even if the row order is changed. So basically, we're just gonna use the formula SUMIF. So insert function button, SUMIF. Excuse me. The range is basically the basis of our evaluation. So we're gonna highlight product, the product column. Okay. And the criteria is I want Excel to only total those that the product that are categorized as barley. So I'm gonna type here barley. Sum range is basically the corresponding values. So I'm gonna highlight the metric tons column. Okay. Click OK. There you have it. Mark completed. Great project. All right. Project 4 of 7 of GMetrix Excel Practice Test 3. Task 1. On the sales commission worksheet, configure the target sales column so that the data still exists but is not visible. So let's go for the target sales. Alright, I'm going to highlight the column and I'm just going to hide it. Mark completed. Task 2. Modify the scaling of the sales commissions worksheet so it fits in a single page when printed. So we're going to go to the backstage view, click File, and then Print,